Yes. What are we going to do?
We're gonna pop this thing, which I'm very scared of.
Don't pop it towards me!
Oh wait, let me read the instructions.
It probably says, do not point towards people.
Do not point either end towards face or other person.
Oh.
But I do not follow directions.
Face it towards there.
No.
Pop it.
And the smoke comes out.
Where's all the confetti? Nice.
Let's redo this moment right here.
Oh God. Oh yeah, and get this one too.
Oh, we're doing.
And get the string.
Get the string.
I should have put that in first.
Wow.
Oh, it broke.
Smart.
That doesn't look right, Mara.
Smart.
Okay.
Stuff it in there.
I'm trying to. Oh, I did not know that so much confetti can actually fit in there.
Let me see.
You know, all that gunpowder that just shot out of there is gone. Oh, so stupid.
Thank you. Whatever. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Are there more?
No, my sister finished all.